You little thingy. There you go. People believe me now. Come on. We're on the river here in Boise. North Fork of the Boise River, and there's a wildcat that came up on the thing here. Totally not afraid of humans. Alright, I'm gone. Come on, take a walk. Let's go to our spot. Don't trip me. I'm gonna stop because I don't know how much. I got like 16 gigs on this thing. Modern phone. Here we go. He's following me. We're walking. We're walking. Come on. Come on. I'm walking my cat. No, it's not my cat. That cat belongs to me. That cat's well fed. Alright. Watch, it'll meet me over here. This is Boise. Ooh, I hear birds. And duckies. I'm just taking a short walk. I just came off an illness, man. I don't know what. It looks like I was poisoned or something. Soup or something. Oh boy, I made it. There's a ducky out there. There you go. It's like I lost my cat friend. Okay. That's the Boise River. There you go. And there's all the wildlife. 30-degree weather.